Hi guys, today in this video I want to show you the top 5 tools I'm using to automate and play with AI currently. So I think the last one is, if you haven't heard about it yet, like you will be impressed by what we can do with this one. But yeah, you will see amazing tools. I use them every day. Let's start with the first one. It's Remix. It's like often something like you don't think about, but for a lot of people it's hard to find AI image optimizer, because when you type on Google, like you find like paid stuff and you need to subscribe, you need to do a lot of things, and it's usually with prompts, so you can't input your own photo, and it's annoying. Why it's useful? It's when you want to have a professional picture for your CV. If you want to improve, like have a nice YouTube thumbnail and you want to improve yourself, or you want to look younger, like myself, for example, I want to look younger sometimes. So what you can do is like just go on this Remix app and you go on the magic camera, and you can also prompt, but if you go on the magic camera you will see. So I will just like turn like this, and I want to look professional and younger. You can improve the prompt, but I will just do this one, and you will see what's the outcome like. And you can use it for a lot of different things, um, doing sports, doing surf, like fishing, whatever. So you see it's quite fast, like it's already 50-60%, and we will see the result quite fast. I'm just putting on pause. Okay, so it's 99%. We will see the result pretty soon, and I think you will like it. Let's see. Okay, so now you can see the result. Like after like few seconds, I got the result. Doesn't look like me that much, but like you see how it can be interesting. You can re-roll it, you can like remix, and you can improve the prompts in order to have a better outcome. But it's quite impressive. Like it looks like I have like something on the hair, but that's okay. So that was the first tool. Like now let's get serious and let's go to something that I hope you know, because if you don't know it now, like I think there would be a problem. It's ChatGPT. ChatGPT. I could spend hours talking about ChatGPT, but I will just tell you how I'm using it. So I'm using it with assistants. I'm using custom GPTs with like custom instructions. Something I like to do is like to build a brand persona. So when I have a new client in my agency, we build like a persona with like the target audience, the niche, and everything, like kind of a DNA card or identity card of the company, with the tone of voice and everything, and then we can put it as an assistant and to create the custom GPT. It will help us to generate social media posts with the tone of voice, blog articles, and we like to input a bit more of memory, because it can have like hallucination. So this is how we use it mainly. I really recommend you to use the model GPT-4o or O1, something like that. But you can also use different models depending on what you're doing. Like, for example, if you are like doing code, I would consider Turbo Instruct or something like that. So ChatGPT, of course, the one and only. Now let's switch to another one, which I'm really impressed with. Like this is the one I'm using for coding. So basically, it's Claude. Claude, especially the model Claude Sonnet. I'm French, so I will sound French. Sonnet. Claude Sonnet 3.5, which is like really helpful when it comes to coding stuff. And how I'm using it with the cursor application and Raycast, which comes to my third tool, which is Raycast, which is at the same time AI, but same time productivity app. It's only if you have a Mac. I already spoke about it in another video. And basically, like with Raycast, you can like use AI directly in your computer. So you can ask in ChatGPT, but you can also have something which is let me check. Like you can have your own chat GPT or like your own chats on your computer. So you don't need anymore to go on chat GPT. You can have like presets that you can create yourself, and you can use different models. So you can use all the models that you have. I have the premium version, so I can use it. And you see also something interesting is that you have the different specificities of each model. So here, like they will tell you, so okay, so GPT-4, it's really smart, but it's not really fast. And it's telling you what you can use. Like for example, with this one, Yama, we can use the web search and the quick AI. And you can also explore the presets. So there is presets in Raycast that you can install on your computer, and then you can use it to code or to write content or to have fun. That's really nice. Like I really recommend you, if you have a Mac, to subscribe to Raycast, because it's one of my I think it's my top productivity and AI tool of this year, and I'm going a lot faster with this. So I'm on the fourth tool. Now the last one is something that I just discovered like a few days ago. Everybody's speaking about it on internet, especially like the business community and the software development community. And it's called Bolt.new. So Bolt.new is helping you to build any application from a prompt. So it's an AI, it's creating code, and with this you can create whatever you want. Like yesterday, I was speaking about this uh, persona brand analyzer, like this DNA, this identity card of a business. So we can use it with AI. And I started to create something with Bolt. So I just have to put the site URL of the brand, and then I can have the identity card. And then I do some updates, of course, because you need to have a human touch in it. But it's really helpful. And today I was actually working on something different. I was working on create a LinkedIn profile analyzer, and the goal is to get the best, the 20 best posts of a given profile URL. And you see, when you put the prompt, it will start to actually code a software. And it's crazy what you can do. Like you can have I've reached the limit, but you can have like a chat on the left side, like ChatGPT, and you have the code on the right side. And let me check if I can show you. I have it just here. So it's loading now. So you see, I have like the content, which is right here, and I can add like features or whatever. And you see, like if you go on the preview, it's installing the dependencies, and you will have like the preview in a few minutes. SEO content automation tool, business persona generator. Like this one it was funny. Let's see if it's still there. Maybe it needs to load. Okay, so it was for Bolt. I really recommend you to use it because you will be impressed with the result. And the last one that I wanted to show you, it's like a bonus. It's more like if you are a nerd. It's called websim.ai. And this is also another level. It's like a browser, kind of a Google, and you can see what people created. Like if you like Minecraft, you will see that you can create a lot of things, and you will see all the people what they created, like Dungeons and Dragon. So the goal is to, a bit like Bolt.new, but in a more funny way. I would like to create let's see, the one I did, like it was Bookcraft, to create my own story. So the book ID is about two cats fighting over a carrot. And then like I want just a short page and create. And this, like I just said that I wanted to generate application to create a book, and it did it. So you will see the result. So yeah, so here is my book about cats. It's like, it was a simple version that I did, and then you can read it. And I did it, I think, like in 2 minutes, like just writing down what I wanted to create. So yeah, that's all my five plus one tools that for me are the most impressive and interesting in 2024. And I'm looking forward for next year to see all these evolutions. Thank you for watching this video. Like, just if you like the content, subscribe and add a comment. And I hope to see you soon on the channel. Thank you. Bye.